Let's talk about school. Where did you study?
I studied in a small primary school near my house. What about you?
I studied in the village school. We had only 6 classrooms.
Wow! My school was bigger. We had a library and a playground.
Did you like school?
Sometimes, yes, sometimes, no. I liked English and art. I didn't like math.
Me too. I hated math, but I loved sports. I played football after class.
That's great! I didn't play football. I only watched.
Let's talk about family. Did you live with your grandparents?
Yes, I lived with my grandmother. She cooked delicious food.
Oh, nice. I lived only with my parents and sister.
What games did you play with your sister?
We played hide and seek. We also played with dolls, and sometimes we fought.
I fought with my brother too, but we always made peace after.
What did you do in your free time?
I collected stamps. I also listened to music on the radio.
Oh, interesting. I collected marbles. I also sang songs with my friends.
That's beautiful. Did you read books?
Yes, I read fairy tales. They were simple but nice.
I read detective stories when I was a teenager.
Life was simple in the past. We didn't use smartphones.
Yes, now children use phones and tablets every day.
Do you think our childhood was better?
Maybe. We played outside, we talked more, but now children learn faster with technology.
True. The world changed, but memories are always sweet.
Today we practiced simple past tense and shared childhood stories. Yes,
We said, I lived, I played, I studied, I liked.
dear listeners, now it's your turn. Think about your childhood. What did you do?
Thank you for joining us. See you next time.